build on the best Web3 platform for businesses. Well, today I'm super excited to be talking about this next product called Fuse. But before we do that, make sure to do your own research, figure out if this project is for you. So I'm talking all about Fuse, their kind of solution for businesses. I think there's definitely a lot of utility here. I'm going to talk about their upcoming airdrop, not only the dates that is coming up, but how you guys can actually do it and be a part of it. I'm talking about kind of where this project has been, all the cool stuff they've done, all the cool stuff that they're going to do, and kind of go through their social, some of their documentation, cool news updates that they have. But I really wanted to focus on I'm talking about today because the airdrop is coming soon, and I want to make sure you guys are able to participate in it if you guys are obviously interested. So let's go Fuse. Here we're on the website at fuse.io. I'll put the links so you guys check this out for yourself. And like I said, I'm going to go through what this project's about, talk about their ecosystem, but really focus a majority of the time on their airdrop and how you guys can participate in it. Fuse is on a mission to put the power of Ethereum in the hands of millions of businesses and consumers. We'll talk about that, kind of go over kind of their solutions, what they could do. Obviously, like I said, explore the ecosystem, kind of see how that works. We'll talk about obviously the token and the utility there. I do think that there's a lot of exciting things that you guys are going to be interested in. So let's go. So it says, build and grow on the leading Web3 platform for businesses, powered by performant ZK EVM, tailor-made to get millions of consumers on chain. So we'll kind of open these up, kind of explore this together. But these are the main features and the attractions of it. So low cost global payments, get your users a fast, cheap, and borderless payment experience, smart contract enabled, access middleware service and ecosystems, and then extending Ethereum, bridging decentralized finance application and real world use cases. These are some updates, some news things. I actually opened up some already for us to check out together. Ecosystem for business adoption, 135 million transactions, over 150 projects integrations, 99.99% uptime, and $1 per 10,000 transactions. And here's some use cases if you guys want to kind of see what you guys can do, if this relates to you, or if you want to kind of see how this impacts different businesses. So for example, mobile payments, Fuse equips developers user-friendly mobile-first tools. E-commerce, cost-effective, fast choice for e-commerce, offering efficient payments with reduced overhead. Loyalty rewards, NFT-based loyalty programs, branded stablecoins. Brand stablecoins boost brand visibility, reduce payment volatility, and expand global reach. And these are just some of the things that use cases that Fuse can partner with you. So if this is relevant to you or someone you know, you could check out how to become an operator. And if you guys want to learn about that, you guys can. They have some great partners. Again, I opened up some news articles which kind of talk to you a little about some of the partners that they work with. But if you want to kind of dig into some of their products specifically, Fuse Network, the EVM compatible blockchain. Fuse Box, integrate a Web3 wallet into your app. Fuse Mobile, create mobile apps for iOS or Android with Web3 using Fuse. So essentially, I think every company out there is looking to get into this space. And I think Fuse is an excellent partner to kind of help along the way with their tools, and their expert team, I think, is kind of a no-brainer. Fuse Console, easy accessible for Web3 payment and loyalty infrastructure. So again, this is relevant to you, or if you really believe in kind of their mission and the tools they can do, definitely a great time to be a part of this project. If you want to take a deeper look, you can check out their documentation, read their documents. You could view their open source code if you guys want to, sign up for their newsletter. But let's jump into some of the exciting things happening and how you guys can participate in it. This was just some of the links I just quickly opened. The bridge, if you want to check out. You could also check out the ecosystem, which we'll kind of dive into. If you want to check out their wallet, I know a lot of you guys are always looking for new things like that, and then staking as well. But let's jump into the airdrop, how you guys can participate in it, when it's happening, and what you can do. So this is a subdomain on fuse.io. It's airdrop.fuse.io. Like I said, I'll put the link in the description for you guys to check it out. All you have to do is click this join airdrop button, and there's a couple of steps that it's going to take that you guys need to do. There's some tasks that you could do as well if you guys are interested. But in order to join the Fuse airdrop, all you have to do is connect your wallet. on the homepage, just click connect. You'll be prompted to connect to your MetaMask. This is just my test account, so you guys can kind of see. You kind of jump into here. If you're in the wrong network, you could switch to the Fuse chain really simply. Just hit accept, switching Ethereum to Fuse because that's what I was on. They have some actions, like I said, follow them on Twitter or X. You can follow them, and then there's other things along the way. So again, this is my test account. You kind of see kind of what where you're standing. So it says my points 0 right now, but they show your rank. You can learn more about the airdrop program. You can invite friends, get 20% of your friends' total points, which is awesome. They give you a special custom link. But there's just like a bunch of tasks that you can do, quests in order to get more points. As you can see, easy things like following on Twitter, holding more than 2 different tokens, staking, trading. Again, it's up to you. Some of these things you're probably doing already, so it's great that you're getting rewarded to do so. And you could track your progress on here. Like I said, they have this cool like leaderboard that kind of shows you guys like where you are in relation to everyone else. Obviously, like I said, I just literally just connected this wallet on here, but you can kind of see how you compare. And like I said, there's definitely a lot of people that are super excited about this. And so what happens is once the airdrop concludes, and that date is it's gonna last for 30 days, right? So it's going to take place on April 10th, which is going on right now, and it's gonna last until May 10th. So you guys have 30 days, well, maybe 20 days from time recording, but plenty of time to be a part of this. So plenty of time for you guys to participate, do these tasks. I mean, if you just want to outright buy Fuse, you guys can. They're listed on Huobi, Gate.io, MEXC, all those exchanges I've talked about on this channel. But this airdrop is a really great way to participate and get some be a part of this airdrop for some tokens, just for doing, like I said, some of these things you're probably doing already. So if you guys are interested, definitely check it out. Like I said, I'll put the link in the description. There's a bunch of activities on there. Like I said, following on Twitter, X, join the community like Discord. You get some points for doing that. Inviting friends, connecting your wallet, holding 2 different tokens, and then just other things on here. And they might, they said it's always good to just kind of keep track of this to kind of see what's going on, because some of them are going to be, like I said, coming soon. So you kind of want to keep in the know so they know when they release that. So that's kind of a cool thing. If you want to learn more about the ecosystem, I'm not going to spend too much time with this. I kind of talked about kind of the benefit of it, kind of some some use cases depending on it. But if you guys want to check out, search for some of these projects and kind of see, like I said, there is a ton of different projects. I think like we said, over 150 on here, all from different different types of businesses, which is kind of cool. These companies see a ton of value with the Fuse partnerships, so definitely an awesome project to be a part of for the long term. There's some articles that you could check out if you guys want to learn more. They've done some great partnerships with like Polygon, talking about their ZK powered layer 2. Again, definitely that's where they stand out. So all the great things that you kind of expect from a company and a project like this. Definitely check it out if you guys are interested. Fuse launches multi-million Web3 businesses, grants programs. Here's some great articles just kind of talking about what they've done in 2023, kind of like their highlights, and then of course even hinting on some exciting things to come. So definitely check it out. There's lots and tons of documentation. I mean, there's a ton of utility for this token. Primary staking to Fuse validated secure network, pay transactions, and make payments. They have rewards incentives, 15% APR on Fuse validator staking, transactions fees. Fuse tokens are used to pay for transaction fee on the network. Obviously, you saw that it's full of a bunch of awesome partners. There's staking, governance, network security, access to network services, and a ton of incentives as well. Literally, the use cases and the utility just goes on and on. So if you want to learn more about that, you can learn more on their documentation, jumping into their products, or you just want to learn about the basics of the token or the blockchain, etc. Really great stuff. And I do think that this is definitely a project that's going to really make a big impact in the industry. So definitely check it out if you guys are interested. You could buy a Fuse token on all these CEX centralized you buy Fuse token on all these centralized exchanges if you guys are interested. If you want to learn more about Airdrop specifically, they have this post that they did like about a week ago about the airdrop program being live, some of the key benefits of Fuse, which we went over, how to claim it, kind of like the duration, the allocation for that, and some of the tasks that we kind of walked through today in the dashboard together. So definitely check it out if you guys are interested. Follow them on all the socials for some of the latest updates on what's going on with this project. Join the community, hear directly from them what makes this project exciting. But I do think that this is getting them a lot of attention, and it's a great way for people like you and me that are already doing some of these tasks to be a part of such an awesome project. That's 2 million Fuse as a reward. Pretty awesome. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.